Double-click IP config. It can revise IP of decoder/matrix. Once IP of decoder/matrix is changed, double-click Netclient software of decoder/matrix, input user ID and password, it will indicate error and cannot log in. Please go to IP config interface to choose decoder/matrix and click Reboot. About 1 minute later, IP config can search and find IP of this decoder/matrix. Then, it can log in the Netclient software. Default user ID, admin, password 12345. Input correctly, it can log in the Netclient software. Input incorrectly, it will indicate failed. If default password was changed and forgot, it cannot call initialization, the decoder/matrix should be sent back to factory, all data and configuration will be deleted. When IP of computer is set to obtain automatically, it will cause Netclient software of decoder/matrix cannot log in. Please set a fixed IP to the computer. The Netclient software can log in. When a Wi-Fi or virtual network interface card is enabled, it cannot search and find IP of matrix/decoder, which will cause it cannot log in Netclient software. After the wireless network card or virtual network card is disabled, it can search and find IP of the devices and log in the software of decoder.